Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing two of the biggest game trainer apps out there, WeMod and Plitch. If you are into PC gaming and mods, which one should you pick in 2025? Let's find out. WeMod is super beginner friendly. It lets you launch cheats for hundreds of single player games with just one click. No coding, no setup. It works directly with Steam, Xbox Game Pass, and Epic Games, and it has a sleek, modern interface. You can use it free, but the Pro version gives mobile control and more features. Plitch, on the other hand, is more manual and technical, but gives you deeper control. It offers over 4,000 games work offline and is built by a company based in Germany. You get fewer preset cheats but more customization. Plitch is also very clear about not working with online games, just like WeMod. So, which one is better? If you are a beginner and want something fast and clean, go with WeMod. If you want more control, offline use, and Europe-based company, Plitch might be better. Both are safe and legit. Just choose the one that fits your gaming style. Let me know in the comments which one you used. Hit like if this helped and don't forget to subscribe for more app comparisons. Thanks for watching.